Hi guys, good morning. It's our third day and we woke up early because we are going to attend Mass at the Myeongdong Cathedral Church. This is a Catholic church, so most of us attend the Mass because we have an option if gusto namin or hindi.
Things from the Western
So
country,
fast
but at the
forward, we
end,
go back at
they
our
went through
hotel.
the cross door. The reason
Then
they got
we
some
wait
Western
for
country,
our
which is
bus to pick us
conventional
up
and British,
for
when they came,
the
they tried to
continuation of
knock
the
down, they
trip.
tried to open
So here we are going to
the
the
tomb. There is
Grand Palace to
this
where
tomb, the Polish tomb, because
handbook,
the tomb is
Korean
like ourself.
handbook.
So we cannot imagine that our tomb got damaged, but they open it and they try to take some like the jewelry or like other like treasure from it. So that's why government got very upset. We thought, oh, they are not the right people. So we just cross, we just keep the distance from them. That's why government also didn't like Catholic, because Catholic was a democracy. So those are people they got allowed to torturing. So if someone follow the Catholic, yeah, they got really big torture from the government. But they choose. So that's why in Korea we have many holy place. So the Pope, they visit our country because our country, those are Catholic religion, is from ourselves. More normally other country, the religion is from royal family, or maybe if we have an invasion or whatever, then they brought it. But this one, our country is not. Our country is from ourselves. So we went to China, and then we got to get to know about Catholic and we bring into our place. There's something different. And that's why we have a lot of like holy place and also pilgrim tour by Roman Catholic. So today you went to the church. Actually, this church was a house for Lee Sung-yun, which is the first Catholic from South Korea. And then he donated to his house, and then his house become church. So this one, and then also underground. If you see, if you go, and also they got coffin of some fathers, and also our first generation of Catholic people. This is a holy place. So I hope you have a good time. Okay, so right now we are heading to Hanbok place. Hanbok. Yeah, we're gonna try on Korean Hanbok, and then we go to Gyeongbokgung Palace. Okay, so wow, demonstration. This one, demonstration. Yeah, is our demonstration. Another special tour to you. Demonstration. You can see how Korean do demonstration, strike against the government. So they got two parts. One is the support our president, the other is anti-president. But today is Sunday, so they sing together and they sing. Okay, so we are going to go to the Hamburg place. Okay, the jacket. Today the temperature is a bit cool, but the daytime should be okay. So I think that you better take the jacket, leave in the bus. Okay, someone wants to carry a jacket, not a problem. Then after we wearing hanbok, maybe you can cover your jacket over the hanbok. Either way, okay. So we go the hanbok place, and then please follow me. We go upstairs. They got men and women got different section, okay. And then ladies, you can see that you can choose the color of your skirt. Skirt is like all the like precise. So you just choose the color of your skirt, and then you have to go to the top. Top is a different size. They have a small size, medium size, and large.
Hi!
Ba naman to?
Ate,
Sis, please!
wala ba locker room?
Picture nyo kasi. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Wait lang, point. 1, 3 ko lang. Portrait ko ha, in 1, wait.
Tapos nakaganon yung
Guys,
kamay,
go.
oh. Hoy,
It's okay.
nakaganon yung kamay.
Okay. 1, 2. Wala pa sila. 1, 2, 3, mabilis. One more.
Thank you, sir. Let's go.
Oopsie.
Let's go.
Ano ba yan? Diba sugahan nyo pa nila,
Let's go. Turn left. Turn left.
Okay, your technical is showing at the
Turn left.
expected later on.
Guys, turn left.
Yeah.
Right, turn right, turn right.
Too late, too late, too late. Oh, you need to take your technical.
Ano kita? Bahagya alam. Yan. Ano na? Sabi iwanan ko mga to. Very like na. Ako na paano like that. 1. Kuportray ko ah. Yung kakulos yung kamay. 1, 2, 3. One more. Wait lang ah. Papanti ko lang. 1, 2, 3.
Sas kami doon.
Sarap balik ato.
Mali.
Hindi ko makita, ang dilim eh. Saan?
Oh, shit. Ay, shit, ang lamig. Ay. Snowing. Grabe, naninigas yung kamay ko. Hi, snowing. Hi. Para lang siyang coat sana. Feather. Oh, sorry, sorry. Grabe.
At sa kanilang maigsi.
Kaya,
Sa atin madadapa pa.
mga pandak kasi tayo.
Ano mo si Tel, nakalutang din. Kainin mo kayo.
Ah.
Isang halo-halo. Isang halo-halo.
Ah. Oh, shit. It's so...
Hello!
Tama? Awa yung sagot ko. Eh, mali ko pa kami nung rin tayo. Diba? Hindi, sabi ko naman eh. Dudog ka.
May snow.
Pero bang cellphone mo, video mo habang lalakad siya, oh. Anong cellphone mo?
Look at my hair.
Palaga sa taas. I-film mo, hindi mo ano. Yan, wala lang. Saan ang tarakaha? Nandito na ang mahal na na. Mga kawal pali.
It's our third day. Dito nga kasama sa itinerary namin ang magsuot ng handbook dito sa palace, sa loob ng palace. And nakakatuwa kasi nag-snow siya ulit. But this time, sobrang lakas. Mas malakas siya dun sa first time namin na naranasan the day before. Grabe ka, Korea. Pinagbigyan mo talaga kami. It's a dream come true, guys. Tapos nakasuot ka pa ng handbook, diba? Feel na feel mo naman na Korean ka. Yung struggle lang namin during that time is yung mga bit-bit namin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi na ilagay sa locker room or sadyang hindi kasama dun sa itinerary namin na ilagay yung gamit sa locker room. Pero super struggle kami dyan. Nabitin lang kami dun sa time na binigay sa amin dyan kasi sobrang laki ng palace para dun sa ilang minutes na gugugulin nyo lang dyan before kayo umalis. But overall, it's a very unique experience naman. So ayun, nag-enjoy naman kami kahit hindi namin na libot or napuntahan yung bawat sulok ng palace.
This way. Group photo first.
Ginseng.
Group photo.
Ay, nakain mo. Huli pala yung ginseng.
May ginseng ulit?
Wala naman ginseng ah. Buka ay ano kahapon eh. Kumain lang tayo ng may ginseng.
Then yung time na to, it's time's up na kami dyan. We are about to leave the palace na. Then this happens na sobrang lakas nung snow. Yeah, so super lamig talaga. And it's so magical kasi 'di ba, snow tapos nasa palace, then naka-handbook. Thank you Lord for the experience talaga. Naka-experience ang person ng snow. Ayan, ginaw kami dyan. Tapos makikita nyo naman yung ilong namin namumula na. O diba, lakas maka K-drama feels. Pwede na ako magalo-halo dito eh. Pang sahog na lang ang kulang. Nakahandbook kami. Oh. Sa lakas ng snow. Nasa palace kami, palace. So guys, here comes the day 4. This is our last day. And we are going to Namsan Tower. I'm not sure if ito yung pinaka-highest tower in Korea. But this tower is very famous kasi may mga K-drama din na dito na film. Ito yung maglalagay kayo ng love lock, mga couple. Then, sasakay kayo ng cable car. And makikita nyo na yung overviews ng buong Seoul.
Yun yung may ganda dito. Nasa kulay dilaw na.
Maganda rin dito. Oh, it's so beautiful. Ganda! Yupuda, yupuda. Shis!
Taas ah.
Ganda. Ilagandaan mo yan. Kunin ko yan. Wow. Yes, Nabibingin na naman ako. Ang ganda. Gravity. The highest tower. We're going to the highest tower in the Korea. Pag naglakad, saan?
Yan.
Ayun, sa kabila. Ayun sis, may hagdan.
Wow!
Wow, ang ganda. Laki ng Korea. Yes.
Dapat pag uwi nyo, ganyan na yung mga buhok nyo, ha? Yung may parted na gano'n.